The Chicco Fit360 ClearTex car seat offers a unique one-hand 360-degree rotation for effortless switching between rear-facing and forward-facing positions, enhancing convenience for parents. With an innovative quick secure harness system, this car seat ensures easy and secure buckling, featuring a magnetic chest clip and a 15-position adjustable headrest for optimal child comfort. The LeverLock Self-Tensioning Lock System provides a hassle-free installation process, ensuring a stable and secure fit in your vehicle over time. Designed with comfort and safety in mind, the Fit360 includes a steel-reinforced frame, energy-absorbing foam, and a deep, rigid shell to protect your child during travel. This car seat promotes healthier air quality with its flame retardant-free materials and GREENGUARD Gold certification, ensuring low chemical emissions around your child. For added convenience, the car seat's fabrics are machine washable, and it includes 2 removable, dishwasher-safe cup holders for easy maintenance.